Hello and welcome back to Arduino programming and interfacing. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you about the MQ135 sensor that is useful to measure the air quality. So as you can see that I have this MQ135 air quality sensor and it has a 4 pin. At my right hand side we have plus VCC and then we have ground. After that it has a digital output and then last analog output. So I am going to use this analog output and we will provide it to the analog A0 pin of the Arduino. You can vary the sensitivity of this MQ135 by varying this. So as you can see that this is the interfacing diagram of the air quality monitoring system, and here I have connected this MQ135 to the pin A0 of the Arduino, and then I have interfaced this LCD 16x2 LCD to the Arduino. If you don't know about LCD interfacing, you can watch my previous video. I have provided the link in the description. Then in the output I have connected this buzzer to the pin number 8 of the Arduino, which is just we have as an output from the Arduino to the buzzer, and whenever the air quality is above some threshold level, in that case the buzzer will be turned on. And similarly at pin number 9 I have connected this LED. So again, if air quality is above some threshold level, this LED will be turned on and it will blink. So now let's start with the interfacing. So as you can see here, I have already interfaced this LCD with the Arduino, and next I am going to connect this MQ135 sensor to the Arduino board. So as I mentioned in the interfacing diagram, this output of MQ135 is going to be connected at A0 pin of the Arduino, so which is just a first pin over here. Then this is the supply, so which is over here, and this is the ground. So I have connected to the ground. Next I am going to connect this buzzer to the pin number 8, and as you can see here, this buzzer have a two terminal, positive and negative. So this longer terminal is positive, which is just mentioned over here also. I will connect buzzer over here, and then the positive terminal of the buzzer is connected to the pin number 8 of the Arduino, and the ground of the buzzer is connected to the ground. Next I am going to connect this LED, then this current limiting resistor with LED, and the anode of the LED is connected to the pin number 9 of the Arduino. So that's it, we have done with the interfacing. Now let's start with the programming. So now in the programming part, first of all we need to define the liquid crystal header file. So I have used include liquidcrystal.h, and then as I have connected the data pin D4 to D7 to pin number 5 to 2 of Arduino, then I have connected enable to 11 and RS pin of LCD to the 12. So that is what I have defined over here. After that, in the hardware I have used three different type of devices. So for the buzzer I have buzz integer and it is connected at pin number 8. Similarly for LED we have LED integer which is connected at pin number 9, and as we have connected MQ135 analog output to the pin number A0, and for that I have defined the integer as AQ sensor, and I am going to consider the threshold as 250, and for that I have considered the variable as threshold. Now in void setup we need to define that which one is input device and which one is output device. So as I told you, buzzer is a output device, so we will write pin mode buzz comma output, and similarly LED is output device, and MQ135 is an input to the Arduino, so we will write AQ sensor comma input. Now to display the result into this serial monitor screen, we will use serial.begin 9600 is a baud rate, and similarly to display the value on the LCD we will use LCD.begin 16,2, and this clear will clear the LCD display. Now we need to write our logic in this void loop. So in void loop, first of all I have defined one integer variable, that is ppm. So here we are going to read the data from our MQ135 sensor that I have defined at the pin number A0, and for A0 we have variable AQ sensor. So this will read the data from the MQ135 sensor and it will be stored in this ppm, and then we will display air quality in the serial monitor screen, and then we will display the value of this ppm that we have got from this reading. So it will display the result. Similarly for the LCD case, I have first set the cursor to 0, 0, that means it is at the first row and first column, and then it will write air quality, and after that it will display the value of this ppm that is just came from this analog read, and after that we will write our logic. So as you can see here, if ppm is greater than the threshold that we have decided as 250, so if measured value is greater than 250, in that particular case we will write lcd.setCursor 1, 1, that means it will start from the second row and the second column, and we will write that AQ level is high, and then I am going to use this tone. So it is generally used for buzzer, but in this case to blink the LED I will assign the variable LED over here. It will be turn on for the 1 second and turn off for the 200 millisecond. Then we will write digital write buzz high, so it will turn on the buzzer. So in this particular condition our buzzer will be turn on and your LED will be blink. Otherwise, if your measured value is less than this threshold value, in that case we will write digital write LED low and buzzer low, so both will be turn off, and we will display the message AQ level is good, so AQ level good, and I have provided a delay of 0.5 second, that is 500 millisecond to take the measurement. And next I am going to upload this code to the Arduino board. So now I am going to connect this USB to the laptop. You make sure that you have selected the Arduino board and the COM port for the Arduino board, and then just click on upload. So as you can see that when we have done uploading, so it is showing that air quality is 161 or 162 and AQ level, that is air quality level, is good. Now let's do some experiment and let's try to vary the air quality in this area. So now I am going to create a fire at the sensor. So let's check that what we have the result. So as you can see right now the level is varying. So if you will make this to near to this, so it will vary the value, and yes, when it will be just above the threshold level you can hear the beep and those sound. So yes, right now we have blinking LED. Again you can see that it is going to be a normal or air quality level, that is 161 or 162. Now let's try with the sanitizer because it contains the alcohol. So what you can do is just keep it near to this and you can press it. So as you have this sanitizer, so it has a very good alcohol level range of 700, so it is always be more than 300, you can see that, and in that particular case we have this alert. And to display the data using serial monitor, you just need to click over here. So it will just open the serial monitor, and you can see that right now we can see the air quality, that is 113, 112, and if it is varying, so it will display it continuously. You can store this data into your Excel file, and then later on you can perform the data analysis. If you want to plot, then you need to just close it and just go to the tool, and in that we have the serial plotter. So it will open the serial plotter. Make sure you have selected the same baud rate, and as you can see that it will plot the value that we are getting from our MQ135 sensor. So that's how Arduino is serially transmitting data to this PC. So this is how you can design the air quality monitoring system with the help of Arduino and MQ135. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time with some more programming and interfacing.